Then you have different options. So you will click on I am a student because you're logging in for your child. So you will be provided with a code for your child. The code I'm going to try is for a fake student. So here it is. ROEWLUS. And go. So you just logged in to Seesaw, and this is the first thing you're going to see. You're going to be on your journal right here, and you see it on the right column. That's your journal. You also have activities, where you see all the activities assigned by your teacher. Inbox if you get messages from your teacher. But we're going to focus on the journal right now. So on the top right here, you have your name. I am test student right now, and I have 7 different classes. So I click on this icon, and these are all my classes. So I have the Arabic class, Civic and Islamic Studies, English, Math and Science, Genius Hours, Music, PE, Visual Arts, and you may have more than that. So I will click on the different classes and see what they have. So here, this is my class, so I know there's a few things, but this is your journal. So we did already 2 activities. We did the shape hunt activity, and I'm waiting for my teacher to approve it. And this is the other activity I did. If I want to look at more activities, I will click on this button right here and see the activity that I have not done yet. One good thing about Seesaw is that you do not have to print anything anymore. You can do all your responses on Seesaw. So if you have a PDF like we saw earlier, you can type on it, or you can draw on it with a pen tool. Also, you can take photos around you and draw on the photos. You can also record your voice or take a video of yourself. This is the first page you're going to see once you log in. You see right here, you have your journal. Right now you haven't posted anything because it's brand new. You're going to click on activities right over here. And then you will see the different activities assigned by your teacher or different teachers. So we're going to start with Math 1 right here. And it's called Telling Time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on Add Response, the green button right here. And here I have a worksheet. It's a PDF document, and you can actually write on it. So I'm going to make it bigger right here. You click on the little plus and it makes it a lot bigger. And there are different things you can do. For example, you can use the text box. So you have a text box that you can move anywhere. Make it bigger, smaller, to fit where you need to have it. And for this one, it is 3 p.m. So I'm going to type inside 3 o'clock. I'm going to do the same, you can make it smaller. And for the next one, I click on the text box. I make it the right size, right place. And this one is 9:30. So I type inside, click inside, 9:30. So that's how it works with typing text right now. For the next page, I can click on the second page right here. And this one, I'm going to make it bigger. So plus sign, plus, even bigger, yes. And here you can use the pen or pencil. I'm going to choose a different color right here. And for this one, I'm just going to draw the little hands. So this one, it's 9 o'clock. So I'm going to make the small hand right here and the big hand over here. So you have different tools in order to answer your questions. You can type with the text with this button, or you can draw. There's also other options. You can record yourself talking or taking photos. When you're done, you click on the green button on the top right corner. And that's it, you have your answer. You see, I answered the first 2 questions right here, and your teachers will have to approve your response. That's it for this one. So now we are going to try a different way to respond to an activity. We're going to try it with photo. So you're on the main page right here on your journal. Then you're going to click on activities. And here we're going to choose the shape hunt activity. So you have all the instructions done by the teacher. You can also listen to it. This is an example by the teacher, so you can look at it, play.
In my house, I found circles on some guitars.
So that was a short video giving an example. Now my goal is to find shapes around me. So I'm going to click on add response right here at the bottom. I'm going to click on photo. I'm going to take photos of my classroom right over here. So click on any of the photo icon to take a photo. So once you're here, you took a photo. It can be a photo of yourself, or it can also be a video. But right here, I'm click on the pen. You can choose the size of the pen. I think I'm going to go bigger. Choose the color I want to use, and I'm going to draw right here. I find a rectangle, so I'm going to draw the rectangle. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm trying my best. And here I have a rectangle, and I can find other shapes if I want to. But once I am done with this, I will click on the green button right here on top, the top right corner. And that's it. Now I'm just waiting for teacher approval, and I completed my activity.